Solarte, we designed a process of working on software projects that supports predictable budgeting with value-based pricing, yet allowing for a flexible, iterative approach to defining details of the solution. Let me describe how it works. During our initial consultation, we'll ask you to provide a brief description of your company, what you do, how you operate, what your priorities are, and what challenges you are looking to solve. This involves open-ended questions where we will mostly be listening. The next step involves discussion about features, what is required, what might be useful, how it should work, and so on. It continues until we'll have mutual understanding of the general shape of the system. We don't need all the details, just a list of modules and features with expected complexity. If during the development process you request change that doesn't affect complexity, it will not change price or timeline. If it is more complex, we will still be happy to accommodate and propose adjusted timeline and price. Then we will prepare initial specification, time plan, and quote, everything required for a contract. Once it is signed and initial payment is transferred, development begins. We don't work using Scrum. We work in the Agile manner, but according to the principle of original Agile manifesto. This means that you don't need to wait until next sprint ends to see your request implemented. It will be done as soon as it can be safely applied. It doesn't mean that changes are implemented ad hoc. Every change has to be analyzed against current requirements and architecture, but still typically within days rather than weeks. We always start with creating architecture and user experience design. I will explain how it will benefit the project in my next videos. Using our AI-powered platform to accelerate development, we can create first testable version very quickly, which will be shared with you. During development, we will be meeting regularly and discussing detail of the solution with you. Here we'll have more detailed questions, requests for specific information, and we'll guide you through the process and suggest solutions. Conclusions will be added to the specification and implemented soon after. Each time you will receive changelog, current version of documentation with diagrams, and you will be able to test it and comment. When all features are implemented, you will have 2 weeks for testing. If for any reason you don't like solution, you can walk away without any additional cost and project will be deleted. If you accept it, you will receive final invoice. After payment, it will be deployed to the production and you will get source code. During first year, all change requests will be priced with the same discount as at the beginning. Anytime you find a bug, you can report it to us and it will be fixed for free. With us, you always pay only for the value you are receiving.